In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmatch a transaction in QuickBooks Online. We'll go through each step carefully so you can follow along and ensure your transactions are managed efficiently and accurately. Let's get started. First, open your preferred internet browser. While QuickBooks Online works well on multiple browsers, it's highly recommended to use Google Chrome for the best compatibility and user experience. Once your browser is open, head over to the QuickBooks Online website by typing in quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you're on the site, look for the sign in option. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate over to the banking section. To do this, glance over to the left sidebar of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here you should see a tab labeled either Banking or Transactions. Click on this tab and it will expand into a variety of options. From this expanded list, select Banking. This section is where you can manage all your connected bank accounts and transactions. Now you need to select a specific bank account that contains the transaction you'd like to unmatch. You should see a list or menu of all bank accounts linked to your QuickBooks Online profile. Scan through this list and click on the account that holds the transaction in question. With your bank account selected, locate the Review tab within the Banking section. Clicking on this tab will show you a list of all transactions that have been previously matched and reviewed. This is where you'll find the transaction that needs to be unmatched. Once you have your list of reviewed transactions in front of you, search for the specific transaction that you wish to unmatch. When you've found it, click on it to open the transaction's details. Examining the details will help ensure you're working with the right transaction. Now, look for the Undo button. Typically, this button is located near the transaction details or at the top of the transaction information page. Click the Undo button. This action will move the transaction back to the For Review tab, indicating that it is now unmatched. In the For Review tab, you'll find the transaction awaiting further action. Here you have several options. You can recategorize the transaction if it was placed incorrectly, match it to a different transaction if there's been an oversight, or exclude it entirely if necessary. Each of these actions allows you to maintain accurate financial records and ensures the alignment of your QuickBooks account with reality. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your QuickBooks Online account reflects accurate and up-to-date financial data. Thank you for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your QuickBooks Online account.